Hello, I'm Dr. Yavuz Sılay, co-founder of International Advanced Masterclass. In this masterclass, I will be responsible for the theoretical framework supporting our clinical applications. We'll be hosting physicians and cosmetology experts from around the globe. We will explore functional and integrative perspectives in aesthetic medicine, understanding skin health, aging, biology, and patient-centered planning. Strong theory creates safe practice. I look forward to sharing this knowledge with you. Aesthetic medicine should never be isolated from overall health. In my sessions, we will discuss patient assessment, systemic factors, inflammation, hormonal balance, and lifestyle influences on aesthetic outcomes. Understanding these principles allows clinicians to design safer and more sustainable treatment plans. Theory is not separate from practice. It guides us. This masterclass integrates science with clinical wisdom. Modern aesthetic medicine requires a holistic mindset. In this program, I will cover the biological mechanisms of aging, skin physiology, metabolic and inflammatory pathways, and how these influence clinical results. My goal is to help participants think beyond procedures and toward patient-centered integrative strategies. When theory and practice align, outcomes improve and risks decrease. This is the philosophy behind our masterclass. Welcome to International Advanced Masterclass. This is Dr. Yavuz Sılay. I am the co-founder of International Advanced Masterclass, and I look forward to hosting you in Ankara soon. Thank you.